It's been so long, I don't know what to say. So I'm gonna just say, hey, hey, that kind of rhymed. And I know somebody gonna ask me where I've been and you always gone. Okay, mind your business. Life is life, okay? Sometimes things knock you upside the head and you gotta learn how to shake back. But I'm here. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is McGaughey and I have a piece of hair stuck to my face. Anywho, if you're new here, I do makeup. I like to walk on the runway. I like animals. I don't know what else to tell you, so just stick around if you want to get to know me. And if you're not new and you're just coming back because you missed me and you love me, hello, hi, I missed you too. And we're not gonna address the elephant in the room right now because why? Like, we already know what it is. If you know me, you know I love my nails, and I've been getting my nails done at this point consistently for some time now. From now on, I'll probably be doing my nails myself at home, but mainly the reason why I decided to do this was because we're on this quarantine situation and we're not supposed to be going out. So why not do it yourself, you know? But yeah, I definitely discovered a new talent. So if you guys are trying to see how I did them, what I used, where I got this stuff from, then just go ahead and watch. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Here you're just going to see me cutting down my old acrylics so I can get ready to start filing them down and then soaking them in acetone. Soaking them in acetone just helps, what's the word I'm looking for? Soften. It helps soften the acrylic, so when I get ready to file it with my electric drill, it just comes right off and we can keep the process going. And now I'm just clipping off the rhinestones that I had glued on for my last set. It was a little challenging, I'm not gonna lie, but that's just because I did a good job gluing them on. So that's what I'm doing on all 10 of my nails. Okay, so I've cut them off and I started filing them down. Wow, I wish my camera would focus. Ooh, child, that is ugly. But I started filing them down. The only two that I haven't started filing down are these last two. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank my little. So now I'm just going to continue filing down my nails. I'm going to make sure that I'm not leaving the drill up too high and also that it's not too low. With it being too high, it'll definitely get hot and you'll definitely burn your hand. And with it being too low, obviously it will take you forever and a day to drill all of that down. So getting it at a nice medium pace and just applying a decent amount of pressure, you should be good to go. And now I'm going to take these little nail soaking thingies that I purchased on Amazon out of this package, and I'm going to start soaking off my acrylic. So I'm going to take off a little piece of a cotton ball, insert it into this plastic cap or finger thingy, and then pour some acetone in there as well. And for me, I try not to pour too much just because if you do pour too much, when you put your finger in there, you close it and you like lift your hand up the correct way, you have acetone just pouring everywhere. So do a decent amount, but not too much. And now I'm just going to do the rest of my fingers and I'm going to chill and watch a little Ozark. I'll be back with some soaked off nubs. And now our nubs are ready for some tips. So we're going to take our primer and our dehydrator and we're going to apply that to my nail bed. And then I'm going to go in and take my acrylic tips and glue them to the tips of my fingers. And I did switch the camera angle on y'all just because I felt like you might be able to see everything better this way. It did go in and out of focus a lot, so I do apologize for that, but just let me know what you guys like because I do want to keep doing nail videos. So if you like this angle, just let me know, and if you don't, also let me know. And if anybody has any recommendations for products for your natural nails to keep them strong, other than like biotin, like I need some kind of nail strengthener because baby, my natural nails are in shambles. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started with applying the acrylic. Y'all, this is only my third time doing my nails and the second time with the real nail brush. So don't roast me. I'm still trying to get better at application. We're going to get there, I promise. But I used these Mia Secret powders. I ordered mostly everything that I bought or that I'm using today off Amazon. There are some things that I bought in store here in Houston, but for the most part, everything was purchased off Amazon. When it came to doing this nail, I probably should have used just my regular clear acrylic instead of my glow-in-the-dark kind of foggy-ish one, just because I wanted the outcome of this nail to be a little bit more translucent and not as cloudy, but it still came out decent. I wanted to do something that was similar to my first set that I posted on Twitter, so you guys could kind of get an idea of how I did that set too. I just wanted to switch up the colors a little bit just because why not, you know? And with the Glam and Glitz powders, when I'm showing you guys the top of the jar and showing you one side of the jar to the other, it's just showing you how the powder does glow in the dark and what it starts off looking as and what it looks like when it glows in the dark. Honestly, I don't know what I was doing. At this point, when I got to my thumb, I was just playing around when it came to applying the actual colors to my nail. But I applied like a white glow in the dark and then like a little bit of my like clear glow in the dark. And then I went on top of that with like the little sparkles that I have. And I moved on from that nail. And then from there, I went to my middle fingernail. And with that, I kind of did like a French tip. And then the rest of the nail, I wanted to see if I could do some kind of like marble color, which it ended up coming out kind of, what's the word? Basically, to me, all the colors look like they blended together. So I need to keep practicing that because I didn't really care for how it came out, but it's whatever. Practice makes perfect. And then I also have my cuticle oil and my liquid monomer in a bottle, as well as my brush cleaner and my brush. I forgot to show y'all that at the beginning of the video, but the video ain't over, so I'm showing you now. So that's what I'm using throughout the video, obviously, to kind of activate everything. And then, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm obsessed with these nail files. It's so hard and like shapes my nails so well. So I'm just going in with that file and shaping my nails as I want them to be shaped and continuing to do that with the rest of my hand. Okay, so now that my nails are all shaped, they're ready to be glammed up. So I'm going to take my glue and then the rhinestones that, again, I purchased off Amazon. I'm going to take those rhinestones and I'm going to glue them to my cuticles. I don't know why I had such a hard time getting that out just now. I will say with this product, if I would have realized that it wasn't really gonna like dry down, which I should have realized that by the consistency of it, I wouldn't have used so much, and next time I won't use as much because it's not necessary. And then once it hardens underneath the light, the glob of like glue or whatever you want to call it kind of just sits there. So it kind of bothers me, but it's alright, it's whatever. After you apply your top coat and you put your hand underneath the light for at least like a minute or so, you should be good to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun filming it, and honestly I really like doing my own nails. So if you guys want me to keep trying new concepts and techniques on camera so you guys can see it too, then just let me know, because I can definitely get that done. Just not too often though, y'all. Y'all saw my natural nails now. I'm just kidding. But for real, yeah, this is the finished product, you guys. I really liked how they came out. Super cute, super cute. Now we gonna do this. Get your back up off the wall. Damn. Cause I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.